The magical oil, olive oil. Olive oil is a versatile and widely used oil that has been valued for its various applications and health benefits. Here are some of the common uses of olive oil. Culinary use. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and is used for cooking, frying, sautéing, and baking. It adds a unique flavor and richness to dishes, making it a popular choice for salad dressings, marinades, and dips. Salad dressing. Olive oil serves as the base for many salad dressings due to its rich, fruity taste and smooth texture. It blends well with various herbs, spices, and vinegar, enhancing the overall flavor of salads. Dipping oil. Olive oil is often served as a dipping oil for bread, either on its own or mixed with balsamic vinegar, herbs, or spices. Beauty and skincare. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it beneficial for skincare. It is used in various beauty products like moisturizers, soaps, and lip balms due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Hair care. Olive oil is used as a hair conditioner to moisturize and improve hair texture. It can be applied directly to the hair or mixed with other ingredients to create hair masks. Medicinal purposes. In traditional medicine, olive oil has been used for its potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and aiding digestion. Lubricant. Olive oil can serve as a natural lubricant for various purposes, such as lubricating small machinery, door hinges, and other household items. Wood treatment. It is used to condition and protect wooden cutting boards, utensils, and furniture. Preserving foods. Olive oil can be used to preserve certain foods, like sun-dried tomatoes, olives, and cheeses. Lamp oil. Historically, olive oil was used as lamp fuel before the widespread use of electricity. It's essential to note that there are different types of olive oil, such as extra virgin, virgin, refined, and light olive oil, each with varying flavors and characteristics. For culinary uses and for getting the most health benefits, extra virgin olive oil is often recommended due to its high quality and minimal processing.